This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Robin Greeno. Don't miss this incredible single-story updated home with pool and water. 4 bedrooms, 2 baths and 2-car garage just waiting for you. Incredible split floor plan with tile in the common areas and laminate in the bedrooms. New impact garage door and epoxy floor. Alarm system, cable, internet, lawn, landscaping and security included in maintenance. Magnificent kitchen with granite, stainless steel and 42-inch wood cabinets. Breakfast bar and double pantry. Ample-sized rooms. Separate laundry room with extra storage. Accordion shutters. Screened pool and patio, large backyard and covered porch. Very private with no neighbors in back. A-rated schools. Community amenities includes clubhouse, pool, gym and park. Close to shopping, restaurants and expressways. For more information, review the details below or contact Robin Greeno at 954-849-3994.